So right, if it's absolutely pitch black, then that's true. But if there's any light from anything else, or stars, or moon, or anything, you can tell the difference. In your eyes, sometimes it takes 2 minutes for your eyes to adjust, but you can still tell the difference. So the Gemara says that is insufficient. That can't be that Gemara means, because then that is not distinguishing a point in the morning, but rather, at any time during the night that would be true. So what's suggested? Ha b'leilo nami meila yadi. You know that also in the night. Ella ben cheles shaba l'lavan shaba. Translate that line for me. Someone raise your hand and translate that line for me. Ben cheles. Anyone willing?
Oh, so when walking towards you, I guess it's between white and blue.
Translate. Don't explain. Just
between that's coming. Blue, yeah. Shabbat's coming.
Shabbat. So Shabbat with an aleph means to come. What is Shabbat with a hey?
You gotta arrive.
What? Inside, like in it.
Oh, ba.
Yeah, ba. So then Tchela Shabbat with Lavan Shabbat. So again, translate that line for me.
A string inside of it.
Alright, so now, if you guys are teaching this Gemara, between the blue in it and the white in it, someone raises your hand, I raise my hand and say, in what?
In the lump.
So you say, between the blue in the lump and the white in the lump.
No, we just said that it's not. No, let's say I think there's like a cotton lump in this here, white in the middle. We just said it can't be.
Well, we said it can't be 2 separate lumps.
Inside.
We said it can't be 2 separate lumps. Well, what do you think it might be?
One lump.
One lump.
Rashi said, but I don't know what it means.
Okay, so one lump which has some blue and some white. Okay? That's what Rashi says. We'll see that inside. But so Rashi says, what are we talking about? Sela Shabbat L'Lavan Shabbat. Look, it's the first Rashi in the Gemara. Gizat Semer. So Giza means wool, or gaze, is a form of wool. So Gizat Semer, so it just means like a tongue of wool, i.e. a lump of wool. Shet Sivat Sela, that's blue. V'yesh ba mekomos, but there are places in it. Shelo ala sham hatseva yaka. Yeah, we'll get the first Rashi in the Gemara. Says what?
It says Menachos.
So let's see it inside. Alright, so let's see it inside. Everyone look close to the top right. He says, Ela ben Tchela Shabbat L'Lavan Shabbat. So first he quotes Rashi. Here's Rashi. What do we do when you see Here's Rashi? In a Tosos? Three-quarter box.
Trapezoid.
Because that way it helps you keep track of whose opinion is what and what is who. Right now he's quoting Rashi. Put that around it. So we'll see in a second what we do for questions. Here's Rashi. Semer Savuot Cheles. We have wool, which is dyed blue. The Yesh Komo Shelo Ala Sham Hatseva Shapir. What does the word shapir mean?
Good.
Good, right. So it's places that didn't get dyed good, didn't get dyed well. So there, in that case, that's what it's talking about. So you have blue, you have white in one lump, and there's still like little strands that didn't get dyed well. And if it's bright enough that you can distinguish between those, that's the earliest time to say Kriyat Shema. Tosfos, in what we call classic style, says, Rashi, is that possible that that's what the Gemara means?
No.
Thank you. No.
It's impossible.
The kasha. So Tosfos, what do we do when we have a kasha?
Three-quarter trapezoid. No, it's a three-sided trapezoid.
What?
Three-sided trapezoid.
The triangle.
Right. I like to do this just because it makes it visual and you see exactly where the question is. The kasha. Yamina Menachos. Ra mitzvah zu shabbat talui mitzvah acharetz. See this mitzvah that on it is talui, that relying or connected to it or dependent. Thank you. Dependent on it is another mitzvah. The Ezo zo kriyat shema. So a mitzvah that's talui on tachelas is kriyat shema. On mitzvah is kriyat shema. Kitznan. What does Kitznan mean?
They learned in a Brachos.
Right, so it means in this case a Mishnah, Kitznan means Mishnah. So again, even inside Tosfos, I like to use the brackets because again it helps just break it up. So Ad Shiyakir ben Tchelas L'Lavan. And he says until you can distinguish, Gemara Menachos is quoting the Mishnah Ad Shiyakir until you can distinguish between Tchelas and Lavan. So he's saying the Ikai Agizat Semer, and if this box that we're talking about in the Gemara, that you can distinguish between the blue and the white, is talking about just a lump, right? There's no mitzvah going on with this lump, it's just a lump of wool. So Tosa says, the Ikai Agizat Semer, Eno Tui B'tzitzis. That's nothing to do with tzitzis, right? It's just a lump of wall. And the Gemara in Brachos says that it's totally, Kriyat Shema is totally on the mitzvah of tzitzis. So that's one issue he has. The second issue that Tosfos has, Halayla Nami Pamim She'echol Lirot Semer She'eno Sabua Kedarkas. So if you